Hey there, my name is Kurish and today I want to show you 5 of my favorite Edge browser extensions to boost my productivity on a daily basis. I love these, so let's get right into it. Starting off with Voicy, and Voicy is an AI-powered speech-to-text tool that allows me to write with my voice absolutely anywhere on any website. So this has saved me so many hours of typing, and let me show you how it works. I'm on Google right now, and when I click on the text field, I get this little blue dot. All I gotta do is hover over it. I click on the microphone and now I start speaking. I say whatever I want to say, and whenever I'm done, I click on it again. And now it will process and it will give me my text right away. And as you can see, it already adds the punctuation in there. So you don't have to worry about commas anymore. It works absolutely everywhere. It works in Word, it works in email, docs, whatever you can think of. Number 2 is one of my favorites, and it's a cold turkey blocker. And cold turkey allows you to block a website so you can actually focus on the tasks that you want to get done. So for example, let's say I'm on Twitter, but I really want to finish this video. So all I gotta do is go over here, click on the extension and add Twitter to one of my blocks. And once I do that and I refresh the page, it is blocked by cold turkey. So I can of course turn it off whenever I want to, but if you want to go hard, you can also create continuous blocks where you can't access certain websites for hours and only get back in there once that timer runs out. Highly recommend. For number 3, let's power up our internet search with Perplexity's browser extension. So if you're active in the AI space, you're going to know what Perplexity is, but if you're not, it's essentially an AI powered search engine. So rather than going out there and typing on Bing or on Google to find the answers that you're looking for, all you got to do is click on the extension and ask anything. So where's the best Italian restaurant, for example? And then it will take a little bit of time to think, and what it will come back with is a summarized answer of everything that is on Google and Bing. So it's not just spitting out random stuff, it's about the stuff that is actually ranking on these search engines. But if you still want to go to the actual results that it gave, you can go down here and you can see that it got some answers from TripAdvisor, some from Yelp, whatever. You can dig deeper into it. But this saves you so much time, especially when you're looking for crucial information and you're researching. For number 4, let's talk about the Monica extension, and it is super powerful. It is basically an AI assistant for everything that you do. So check this out. Let's go back to Google and let's select the text that we wrote with Voicy earlier. Now once I do that, I get this Monica element up here. I can translate this text, I can continue writing, rewrite it with AI, and I can also open Quick Compose that allows me to just say that, hey, make this text friendly or make it less friendly, make it more formal, whatever. But that's not it. If I click here on the Monica element, it will open up the side panel with all of the options of Monica. So for example, I can write stuff, I can do grammar checks, translate, I can chat to a PDF, I can create a mind map, I can generate images, everything. It is super powerful. I highly recommend you to check it out. Moving on to the final one, which is Todoist. And Todoist is simple, it's delightful, and it allows you to keep track of your tasks. So once I click on the Todoist extension, it will give me my list of tasks. It is not overwhelming, it is a clean design, and it just allows me to tick off stuff. So in a couple of minutes, I'll be done with this YouTube video, so let's just tick this off. And whenever I want to, I can add more tasks to it, right? I can create priorities, reminders, deadlines, whatever. It is so simple to use, so delightful, highly recommended. And that's essentially it. If there are any other tools that you use on a day-to-day basis within Edge, please let me know. I'd love to try them out. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you want more productivity content, subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much and see you again soon. Bye.